Let's Correlate the Library. We are going to have a grab and go craft this week, and it is going to go along with our Dino-Vember theme. So it's a dinosaur egg where you have the dinosaur right inside. So basically in your kits, you're going to get your egg already cut out for you, but you can decorate it however you want. And then you're going to get your little dinosaur, which you will need to color. Once you color it, just cut it out like I'm doing. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then you're going to take your bottom part of your egg and you're going to put some glue on the back side. And then you're going to stick your dinosaur down into the egg so that when you open your egg, he pops out. Oh, yeah, did I do that right? No, I didn't. When you put the glue on that side, you got to put him this way. Backwards. Okay, so there he is, like that. Okay, and then your eggs are gonna already come with a paper hole punch in them, but I just wanted to show you. I'm going to put my hole punch in, and then I'm going to show you how to attach your two parts of your egg together. It's one of these in their kit. It's just a little can't even remember what you call those things, but we're gonna stick it in the hole punch area, and then you're gonna go to the back and kind of push it open, and that'll keep your egg together. See, just like that. Now your egg is all together, and there's your dinosaur. It pops out like that. So come on down to the library and get your grab and go kits this week.